Hi, this is a review of Energy Medicine by Donna Eden. So if you're interested in the program that's on offer by Mindvalley and you're not quite sure what's actually in the training program, then this is hopefully a helpful video for you. And I'll show you what's actually in the program behind the scenes. So once you've bought the training, you'll get instant login and you'll be able to access through your Mindvalley account. And this is what you'll get when you arrive there. And I'll just give you a very brief overview of the page you get when you arrive. So as you'll see, there's the introductory guide, and then below is or are the various lessons. So in the case of the Energy Medicine course, there are actually 9 lessons, and you can go through them sequentially, or you can choose to do them in your own order. Now the recommendation is you actually go through them sequentially, the idea being that you take 1 lesson per week. Now each lesson comprises of a video which is somewhere between an hour and 90 minutes, so it's quite easy to do within the space of that week. And then the lesson also contains 10 to 20 minutes of exercises to do daily through that week. And within each lesson you'll get the video, like I've said, but you'll also get the video in an audio format, so that whatever you hear on the video you can actually download and listen to on your MP3 device, mobile phone or computer. So if you've watched the video, you may want to listen to the audio again just to take things on again. And you'll also get energy charts, meridian charts and diagrams and various other downloadable documents within each lesson. Now I'll dip in and out of a few of these lessons in a minute, but essentially what you're getting here is Donna Eden's entire energy medicine work that she's been putting together for many years now, and that incorporates numerous energy techniques from various traditions, including the chakras from India and also traditional Chinese medicine from China. So you're covering chakras and meridians and various other energy systems, and within that she draws on various approaches like tapping and touching techniques. So you may tap and touch on various meridian points. There are various like sweeping techniques and movements. There's also breathing techniques and stretching exercises. And she also touches on the use of crystals and magnets in helping to manipulate your energy system. So that's really a high-level overview of what you're going to get. I'll just dip in and out of a couple of these lessons you actually see. The introductory guide up here is basically, I'll just click through. When we go through, you'll see that this is a short introductory video, and I'll just go to point a bit further on, in which Donna and David Feinstein just give an introduction to energy medicine, what it's about, and you'll get a bit of familiarization with who they are and their approach. Then you'll also get within this lesson just some information about the course and what to expect. It just gives a rundown of the chapters and what you'll be covering. And you've also got the video available as an audio, and this one actually works quite well as an audio because there's not too much to see. And going further down this introduction, you'll see that they've also included a handbook for this lesson about energy medicine. So that's a fairly short introduction there. You'll see at the top right here, within each lesson there's also a navigation. And you'll see that we've got the introduction for lesson 1. There's various other sections like what to do for maximum results and resources. So if we go to the resources, you'll see here that there's a glossary for energy medicine. There's umpteen different charts and PDFs files for that explain the energy systems and the various points within meridians. So there's plenty of stuff to see and download there. If I go back to the home page, I'll take you in and out of a few of these lessons just so you get an idea of what's actually in there. So I quite like this one, the grounding one, because I think if you can get yourself grounded, then all the other stuff comes a lot easier. So I think this is actually quite an important lesson, and it's good that they've put this early on in the program. So if you click in here and move into the lesson, you'll see here that there's a video in which David and Donna go through. I'll just go forward a bit. You'll see that they go through some of the techniques. So they'll talk through what the clearing, centering and grounding of energies is all about. And then as you go further, you'll see that they start to do some exercises that you're actually able to do yourself, on yourself or with a partner. So yeah, that's a great exercise to get you started. And you'll see that Donna's using various techniques here, like kinesiology, to test for various energy systems. So that's the introductory, well, that's the video that goes with the lesson. And if you go to the menu here, you'll also see there's the question and answer session. So these videos are actually in front of an audience, and the audience does some energy, asks some questions about the energy lesson. And then that's common to all the lessons, as is the energy dance, which is performed by Titania, and she does all the energy dances. But you'll see, if I just dip into this, you'll see that they're very gentle, sweeping exercises that incorporate Donna's energy techniques into a fluid, dance-like routine. So they're actually quite nice. They're quite grounding, and they're also relaxing, so I can highly recommend those. Now if I just go back, you'll also see that there are chapters on using energy for vitality. You've seen the grounding one. There's one for relieving stress. Then there's energy, using energy tests to make healthy choices. Working with pain, so for example that would be like pains within and around the body and headaches. Then there's two chapters about the chakras, one that's an introduction and one that goes into more detail. Then there's a section about the aura, and finally the radiant circuit, which includes, I'll just dip into that, and you'll see that if I scroll across, this is about tapping into happiness, spontaneity and accelerated healing. So this is kind of bringing together everything you've done before, but raising your vibrational energy to above that of simple healing, and it's more about a deeper and more profound experience of life. And once again, you've got the video there, which in this case is a little bit shorter, 48 minutes. And we've got the Q&A, the energy dance from Titania, and again some question and answer coaching calls. So that's basically what you're getting in that section. So yeah, just to recap, what you're getting is 9 lessons with roughly an hour, perhaps a bit more of video. You can download the video as audio to listen on the go. You're also getting downloadable documents with charts and glossaries and the like, and other information. Each lesson also contains a question and answer session from the audience. You'll get all your energy techniques and exercises within the videos, but you'll also get a demonstration of an energy dance for every lesson from Titania. And some of the lessons also have additional coaching calls with Donna and David. So if you are interested at all in that, and that looks like your kind of thing, if you head over to this link, you follow this link, bit.do/energymedicine, you'll go over to the page where you can buy it, and you will actually receive a discount from that link. So if you're at all interested, jump onto that link, and I hope you enjoy your course.